Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics from the topic trigonometry. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you, if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get all these questions? You need to visit our website education-adda.com. Then go to menu option and select academic Adda. Under academic Adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay friends. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay. So coming back to the discussion, what is given here? The value of tan x is given and it is specified that x is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, and we need to find the values of sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. Okay, so one by one we will find. See, so given here is tan x equal to under root 2, and we know from the identity sec square x in terms of tan square x, it can be written as 1 plus tan square x, right? So sec square x will be equal to 1 plus, and tan x value is given as root 2, so it will become 1 plus root 2 whole square. Okay, we have substituted tan x equal to root 2 in this identity. So sec square x will be equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, so from this we can calculate the value of sec x, but you have to see that x is lying in the first quadrant, as x is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. So value of sec x will be positive, right? So sec x we will consider only positive value and it will be equal to root 3. And we know that cos x is the reciprocal of sec x, so it will be 1 by root 3. So now we have the value of cos x, and we know we have to find sin x by 2, and we know that sin square x by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos x divided by 2. Okay, so again, since x is lying in the first quadrant, so obvious is that x by 2 will also lie in the first quadrant. Okay, so sin x by 2 will be positive and it can be written as under root 1 minus cos x divided by 2. Substituting the value of cos x as calculated earlier, so we will get sin x by 2 equal to under root, and again in the square root we have under root 3 minus 1 whole divided by 2 root 3. Okay, so we can rationalize the denominator inside the square root, that is multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 3. We will get sin x by 2 equal to 3 minus square root of 3 divided by 6 and whole to the power 0.5 or square root. Okay, similarly cos square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos x divided by 2, and substituting the value of cos x here, also we can see that cos x by 2 will be positive as x by 2 will lie in the first quadrant. So substituting the value of cos x, we can calculate the value of cos x by 2 after doing rationalization of the denominator. We will get under root 3 plus root 3 by 6. Okay friends, now we have the value of sin x by 2 and we also have the value of cos x by 2. So we can calculate the value of tan x by 2 as sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2, and substituting the value of sin x by 2 and cos x by 2, we will get tan x by 2 equal to under root 3 minus root 3 divided by 3 plus root 3. And then again rationalizing the denominator, so we need to multiply by 3 minus root 3 and 3 minus root 3 on the denominator and numerator both. So after simplification we will get tan x by 2 is equal to under root 2 minus root 3. Okay, so now we have all the values of sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. So we can summarize the result as sin x by 2 equal to under root 3 minus root 3 by 6, cos x by 2 equal to under root 3 plus root 3 by 6, and tan x by 2 equal to under root 2 minus root 3. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics from the topic trigonometrics. Okay, thank you.